I think they've been a kind of a quiet, unknown resource in this community for a long time. They've been sort of the quiet lion.
My company is Hawes Financial Group, and it's a group of companies actually that participate in the account receivable management area and consumer finance.
Their organization is about compassionate collection. When I really heard that, I really understood Joe and the kind of person he is it is a really tough job, but at the same time, they're really trying to help people improve their own lives.
The biggest thing about them is they're passionate about helping the less fortunate, both through their business and then now through their nonprofit and volunteerism.
We're trying to make a change in the perception of debt collectors. Working in the debt collection industry, you see a lot of hardship, and so we've developed a community giving program that tries to focus on low-income people.
I think what makes them different from other companies is that they've committed to a program. It's really part of their culture and part of their DNA. Hawes Financial helps the community in a variety of ways. They allow their employees 40 hours per year of paid volunteer time via their Reach Out program.
They get to choose where they want to go and what they want to do. I think about 40 hours a week and how much money that actually is in terms of somebody's finances. That's huge.
It could be, 1 hour a week. It could be where they just spend their entire 40 hours in 1 week doing things. I think they're really passionate about the United Way because the United Way serves so many different organizations in our area.
Well, United Way of Lane County is here to serve all of Lane County residents. We focus our energy and our time on education, income, and health and basic needs.
They recently had one of their employees named a loaned executive for the United Way, where that person will work for the United Way while being paid by Hawes.
And loaned executive are people who are donated to work at United Way for a 3-month period of time. And their job is to really do the lion's share of fundraising for United Way.
It's been a good experience for the employees. They've come back more mature and learned a lot, and hopefully it's helped United Way also.
Hawes is one of those that had the very best and brightest people, and they were able to give us their best and brightest to be a loaned executive.
At Volunteers in Medicine, there's a constant need for doctors, and there's a constant need for office staff, and we have a lot of office staff and a lot of people that are very good at that, so they can contribute some of their time to doing office work over at Volunteers in Medicine.
Volunteers in Medicine is a free primary care clinic who serves the working adults who fall between 85% to 200% of the federal poverty level.
This year they'll have well over 10,000 visits. They keep people out of the emergency room. They keep people from ending up with bad medical conditions that they don't get treated because they can't afford to go in and see a doctor.
We're a primary care office. We're, as you might say, a medical home.
We contribute around $20,000 a year to Volunteers in Medicine in cash, but also our Health First team will work over at Volunteers in Medicine, and they do registration, eligibility, verification.
The eligibility screeners from Hawes, they know how to handle that patient. They know how to talk compassionately with that patient. And so they're able to put the patients at ease when they come through. And that's 9/10 of the battle right there.
They have a leader in Joe that is very passionate about a number of causes, and when that passion comes from the top down, I think all the employees embrace it, and it makes just a stronger company and a stronger community.
It's been a culture that's kind of developed on its own. I'm not going to take credit for it. I've definitely supported it, but really it has to go to our employees and the managers who support the programs and are involved in the programs. I just think we have a great group of people working here, and I'm very happy to work with them.
It's a better place to work when you have people that are not just showing up to do work. They're showing up because they're actually a part of the community that they live in.
When you help the community, you become a better person, you become a better and stronger organization. So I've seen that in a number of places, and I've seen it and felt it every time I go to Hawes. It wasn't just me, but my whole organization said this is really fantastic. Nobody deserves this award more than Hawes. They're a quiet, powerful company.
I was so proud, so proud, because what they do for us and what they do for others, this is community oriented.
There was a great deal of excitement because we understood, how important the award is and how prestigious it is, and it's a great honor for us.
Joe, congratulations on winning the OBA's 2013 Community Applause Award. The things that you do for the community are amazing. Your volunteer program is great. We appreciate everything that you do and look forward to working with you for years to come.